What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Grem. And ito na yung episode na hiningi ninyo. We made it happen despite I'm literally the other side of
One
the
is in
world.
Europe,
Senor Rocha.
one is in
Senor
Europe,
Rocha. Like,
one is driving,
No, one is in heaven and
one
one
is in
just
heaven right now. One just one just cleaned off his pants.
ano,
oh,
nagpa-pants ka pala? Nagsusot ka pa ng pants?
oh my God.
But wow, congratulations to the Barangay Ginebra Gene Kings for moving on to the semifinals. Congrats sa inyong dalawa, ah. Kasi I
Di
thought it
man
would be
fake, di
Converge.
kami real fan, di kami real fan. Fake fan ka na.
Oh yeah.
Fake
Fake
I
fan
fans
just
daw
yun
spent
eh.
kami.
Christmas in I just spent Christmas in the 29th of December in Araneta, but I'm not a real fan. Shout out to you whoever
Fake fan
said
daw
that.
kami. Y'all, first of all, I want to give my props to Converge because, and specifically, two people on Converge, Juan Gomez de Leon and Archie Concepcion.
Alam ko si
Incredible
Alec yung
game.
pangalawa eh.
Hindi. Mamaya, I'll get to him, brother. I'll get to him. But that spin article could not be timely enough for, for Alex
They knew
Stockton.
what was coming, they know. May tip yan, may tip
Brother,
yan.
brother. But yeah, man, congrats. I mean, even if they lost, Converge played, in my genuine opinion, a really great game two,
Mm.
where it should, if it weren't Hinebra they were going up against, it post probably would have gone their way. They would have probably been facing SMB. Juan played amazingly. Archie Concepcion is proving kung bakit siya taga PBA talaga, di siya pang MPBL lang. I don't know about
Yeah.
the rest of the Pampanga boys. But man, like incredible game from Converge. But Hinebra, oh my god, this is what they say. This is the um NSD spirit that Graham loves to talk about and we love to see. This was it.
Mm.
This is the exact textbook. I mean dictionary. Like when you open a dictionary or when you open a what's the one with pictures, a picture book of NSD,
Mm.
it's this moment. No Scotty because he had to foul in a scenario I was surprised he was on the court in the first place. No Japet because he fouled in a stupid way. But and yet somehow, some way, you're able to pull out this win if you're Hinebra, man.
Bro, you're
Yeah.
right, Mario. This is what yung old heads were saying na, oh, nung pumutok yung nguso ni Jaworski or when Val David hit that shot against Asi Taulava, this is a continuation of that moment. We were deep in the, we're down 6, man, right?
Down
Weren't we
6
down
nga.
6 with
Brother,
a
Grabe
minute,
yung
yeah,
a minute
yung
something remaining?
circumstances.
yeah,
Even in regulation, we were down 3
three.
Or
when Maya
97-93
walked
yun, di
to
ba? Di ba 97-93 yun?
That is in the
fourth
overtime
Ah,
line.
overtime. Okay, regulation pala. Sorry, fourth quarter.
when Maya walked to the free throw line, brother, it was just someone had to lose. Like this game was not supposed to end. This felt like the USD Ateneo triple overtime game in Big. Na parang I'm fine with it continuing, all the way. I would not have mind. I mean, I would not have be bothered by a second OT, but for sure it would have been because it was in Ebra. But bro, it was just it's inexplicable. There's so much aura right now from Ginebra. Um, they were not supposed to win this game, especially with the not so intelligent decisions that coach they made. You mentioned the Scotty Thompson not being out with 5
Yeah.
fouls when they obviously had to foul, diba?
Yeah.
RJ being kept on defense when it should have been Nards Pinto. Uh,
Mm.
that one I'm
Shout out
really
Nance Pinto.
surprised. Shout out Nards Pinto. So a couple of seconds, but brother, I can't explain. I can't explain. I can't explain this game. Yeah, mom, I'm happy. My nipples are hard. That's fine. It's we celebrate tonight. Are we supposed to say that? Are we allowed to say that?
Are people
Hey,
behind you?
hey, whoever's in that car with you, we didn't force him to say it.
Pero kung wala pa siya kasama, mas malala pa siguro sinabi yan, no?
Brother,
Oh, hey. Okay, I
I
think I
cannot.
lost. I think I lost it, but man,
Wow, so
it's
convenient
just
na
time
wala pa
to
tayo.
celebrate. It's just time to celebrate a good win. It reminds me of the LA Tenorio game winner against Magnolia.
Oh,
The
here
the
we
buzzer
go. Here we
beater.
go.
Oh,
Parang
oh.
Here we
we are
go.
We are down. We're not supposed to be here in the brink of elimination, and we got away with it. Um, yeah, I mean, they kind of proven that they can survive barely without Scotty Thompson. Like, if that's a statement that we can make.
Barely,
Um,
barely, brother,
barely, barely, man.
barely.
No, I mean, no Scotty, diba? No Brownlee, no Tenorio, no Fast and Furious, and they were able to survive barely. And I'm just so happy, man. I'm just so happy. I won't even hide it. I won't even hide it.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
I don't
brother.
care
We
if
weren't expecting
if
you
I
to
get
hide it.
apprehended tonight, man. I don't care if I get apprehended tonight. I mean, I won't be because I'm a good driver, but man, I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy.
Bro, by the way, if you're Hinebra, alam mo yung Hinebra practice facility, put up a statue of Alex Stockton
The
in
newest
your
Gin
practice
King.
facility.
The best Gin
Yeah, the
King.
newest Gene King. Alam mo si Aljon Mariano is the
Mm-mm.
ano? Aljon
Green
Mariano is
Archer.
the
King Archer.
Green
King
Archer.
Archer.
Almost Sean Alter, but it's still Aljon Mariano. Well, Alex Stockton, we wanted you a Hinebra jersey, but we didn't mean it this way. Uh, this is not what
Mm-hmm.
we meant by can you for you to join Hinebra. Um, really, really, if Jeremiah Gray makes that shot, he makes it, man. Let him make it. That's a really hard shot to
Yeah.
make in that corner, fading
Almost made it,
with.
by the way. Almost made it.
Oh yeah, dude, that ball was insane. Um, at that point, man, you make him make it. Eh. You don't need don't even try to block the shot. I don't know why you're trying to block it. There's no
Yeah.
use in trying to block that shot, man. But Alex Stockton tried to, and it costed them. And if I'm being honest, call me a hater, but I did not expect him to make all three. I did not. When he was trooping to that free throw line, man, I thought he was gonna make one, make two, miss one, and then we'd have to foul again. But man, he stood up to the moment, dude, and it's really big time from so many major players. And second to this, dude, when you're down six in overtime, medyo ano na yun eh. Medyo, okay, wala tayong magagawa. After a four-pointer by Juan Gomez de Leaño, by the
Yun yung
way.
mabigat doon, bro. Yun yung mabigat
Man,
doon. Yung forward pa.
when Juan made it, Graham, what was the feeling in the arena when Juan made it?
Bro, yung, man, everyone was down. I mean, I, I was, uh, I was seated with someone who subscribed to our pod, by the way. Name is Rex Oliva. Shout out to you, brother. You're a diehard Never fan too. We were all
Uh,
down, man. I mean, it felt like, a corrupt president got reelected. That's how it felt.
This guy
it's
is
been like
calm.
it's been
So,
like that for the
I
past two
mean,
terms, but okay.
everyone.
The
Okay, got
calls
it,
you've
got
been
it.
making,
Bro,
man.
everyone frowned, shoulder down. Wala na nag-uusap, nagse-cellphone na lang yung iba. Because at that point, you got hit by a four-pointer after several offensive rebounds. Ang hirap talaga bumalik dun, bro. But man, it's just
Hirap.
Exactly.
NSD being NSD. But you're right, bro. You're right. After that four-pointer by one, it felt like it was over.
Yeah. Dude, it felt like the world was over after the
Mhm.
four-pointer by Juan. But man, an incredible shot from him. And then brother Stephen Holt not only defended Juan Gomez de Leaño, but the biggest shot of the night goes to Stephen Holt. And uh, alam mo yung pagbitaw niya, alam mo na eh. Alam mo na eh. Parang,
From,
oh
bro,
boy.
from where I was seated, which is behind the Nevers bench, which by the way was not my ticket. Um, I just moved there because be on I can be with Converge people. Okay, all right. But shout out to Converge for continuing to give me tickets.
This guy
Bro,
keeps on.
Man, from where I was seated, it looked straight. But when
exactly.
I looked up, bro, it was 0-0-0. Man, um, got the shot by Steven Holt. I thought
Wala na
I
ibang
was
choice. Eh. Ganda ng
100%
move
sure
niya.
that
Ganda
ball
ng
was
fake.
going.
Got Garcia in
Yeah,
Bro,
there,
ganda
no?
nung fake.
but I was
Ang ganda nung fake.
100% sure it was going to RG.
Me also.
Right? I mean, every one of us thought it was going to RJ.
Pero pinasa niya.
100%. Yeah.
Di
Hey
niya
man,
pinilit yung left wing shot. Di niya
yeah.
pinilit, di ba? Ganda
Bro,
ng side pass
it
niya.
takes a good point guard to know when, or a superstar to know when it's time to take the shot and when it's not. And RJ timed it, and RJ didn't force the shot. He absolutely could have, but he found the open guy. And man, I will not, um, I will never doubt Coach Delta Pineda's loyalty to anybody ever. Because even in the dying seconds, he still had the Pampanga boys out there. He had Archie, MJ Garcia, he had
MJ.
Balti. Of course, Balti.
Balti, bro, Pampanga boys for life. Never giving up on the Pampanga boys. I respect it kasi Archie really played a game that proved na
We keep
deserves to
Archie
be here
there.
in the
Easy 30 minutes in for me, si Archie.
Bro,
He
he
earned his
absolutely
minutes, man.
deserved it. Yeah,
He earned his
he
minutes.
proved in this game na he's not hindi siya nepo hire, hindi siya
Buhay.
Bronny James. Hindi siya Bronny James, di ba?
yeah, hindi siya Bronny James, hindi siya blank of the blank coaching, you know. It's just a whole thing where he deserved
Alright.
where he proved that he deserves to be in the PBA. I'm happy for him, although next conference mahirap na kasi may may Dave Ildefonso ka na. But yeah, man, incredible shot from Stephen Holt, dude. But at the same time, kailangan natin i-shout out the guy the guy who made the shot before Stephen Holt, Troy Rosario. Brother, all was lost. All was lost.
Yeah.
We down 4, all was lost. And Troy Rosario, I was a bit mad. I'm not gonna lie. I was a bit mad that he didn't take one step back for a 4-point shot.
Kevin
It was a Kevin Durant
Kevin
moment. Kevin Durant moment.
Bro, kaya nga ang sakit kasi I was like, oh my God, imagine if we lose because this guy's foot so big. Like, that's what it felt like. But like, again, dude, Balti missed a massive free throw. Really, and this kind of sucks if you're Juan Gomez de Leano. Kasi you played probably the best game you could
of
have
your
asked for
career
from
that
Juan.
matters.
Yeah. Like, ito yung nagpo-prove din sa iba na, hey man, I am a deserving top pick. And I don't know people who even thought in the first place that he wasn't. But, like, man, it's just absolutely the basketball gods shine their light on Ginebra in this moment, dude. And each player from RJ to Scotty to Maya to Jason David, who played very well today as well. To Jason
Speedy
David.
recovery.
He's okay na ata. That's all
Bumalik siya sa bench.
Okay na.
Bumalik siya sa bench, di ba?
He's back.
I think na
He's back.
sprain shoulder na siguro ano
Yeah,
yun, may sting lang.
Dislocated, diba? Something I forgot. I didn't fully
Pero kung
listen to it.
dislocated, di na makakalaro yan, bro. That's months.
then
Hindi na
sprain.
bumalik. Bro,
Pero bumalik siya sa bench.
There's do you know there's a nurse who survived the Olympic, the Titanic, and the third ship? So there were 3 ships, Olympic, Titanic, and I think it's Britannica, something like that.
And there was one
That was in
person who's been to all 3.
Yeah, the Olympic,
What in the
Olympic, the
fake
Titanic,
news is
the
this,
Britannic.
man?
No.
Nurse
This is real.
survived.
This is a nurse. This is a nurse.
Oh, ano? It is real. I researched it. Nurse who survived.
Magaling si Graham sa ganyan,
It is real.
Mario. Sa mga weird facts.
real.
You're right. It was the
And that was-
Titanic, the Britannic, and the Olympic.
He survived all
I told
3.
you, man. I told you. He survived
What
all
a-
3. That was Ginebra tonight. Ginebra was dead on 3 separate occasions, man. Ginebra
Yeah.
was dead on 3 separate occasions. The Maya 3, down 4 when Troy hit the 3, and when Stephen Holt hit the game winner. That was just Ginebra tonight. I wanna go to Juan Gomez de Leano. Bro, you you are amazing, man. You are the next enemy of Ginebra. You're the
Galing
next
niya.
Unless you want to put on the jersey.
kaaway ng Ginebra. What?
Unless he wants to put on the jersey.
Yeah. Until then, bro. Until then, we hate you on
This
the court.
dude-
You're probably the next. Sino pa ng Ginebra na talaga matindi? Poy Eram, no?
Poy Eram, yeah. Poy.
Oy, Aram, yeah.
Was it Poy Eram yung kaaway ng Ginebra matindi? Yeah.
Poy.
So,
You tell me, Graham.
You're
You tell us,
probably
Graham.
Bo Belga.
Tell me,
something
you're the
like
one.
that.
You're the one cursing
Yeah,
at them.
Poy Eram, Bo. What do you mean, man? I'm nice with those people. But Bo Belga, Poy Eram, Mac Cardona, you're the next, but you're the best of all of those caliber of players. So he was excellent tonight. I know the celebration will get a lot of flack because they ended up losing, but that
Oh.
celebration was cold as hell. That's it. And he does not miss from the line, bro. He does not miss from the line.
Yeah. Brother, I was expecting to miss at least one at some point. but he just wasn't.
Yeah, at some point, di ba,
Um,
he's due for miss. Parang yung takes ko, like, at some point, I have to make a mistake, but I keep on
You've
winning,
been missing. Recently ka
hello,
lang tumatama.
hello.
Alright.
Is my speaker not working? Did Graham
Okay,
just
wifi
admit
ko
that he
dito,
makes
Graham, ha? Gumagana
mistakes?
wifi ko dito. Hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. Kala mo, ha?
But
Loko
holy
tayo
cow,
nito, ha?
man.
Oh.
What I would give to have been in that arena that today for this game, man. I would have given the world to watch Hinebra versus um Converge today, but I had other commitments. But absolutely gobsmacker of a game, dude.
Yeah. Bro, I wanna go to coach some of Coach Tim's coaching decisions. Like, why wouldn't you take out Scotty Thompson when you obviously had to foul and he has 5 fouls? Um,
Shout out
it's
K-Rax, by the way. He made both.
Oo nga pala, ano?
Pero si K-Rax is a
With
great free throw shooter. Kaya parang,
Yeah,
di ba,
but brother,
yeah,
narinig yung
yeah.
commentators, alam nilang, oh yeah, K-Rax is the last guy you wanna foul.
yeah, but
I
dude,
mean,
he
you can't
hasn't
foul.
played in a
Yeah.
minute.
Actually.
Like,
Pero he made it. He was ready.
yeah, he made it. He made it. And oh, by the
Bro,
way,
K-Rax just
Jabber
start in,
Aguilar,
ano, si K-Rax just start in does not see the light of day anymore. Right? Like,
by the way,
here's
Graham,
you
before you talk
starting.
about Coach Tim, Graham, before you talk about Coach Tim, I just have to say this. Jabber Aguilar, you think Stephen Holt and Troy Rosario right now, man, because those offensive rebounds in the overtime, I was on my knees, bro. As in, sabi ko, oh my God, tama na, man, please. Like, I understand the knees are shot, the body is tired, but oh my God,
Hirap na
I was
talaga siya.
about,
Hirap siya kay Baltian Arana talaga. Hirap talaga siya.
bro, I was about to cry talaga, dude. I was like, when he allowed the offensive rebound to MJ Garcia,
Si MJ pa ako. Sabi ko, oh, si
like,
MJ
Oo
ako.
nga, no?
Naghang ba si Mario? Hindi
Yeah,
siya gumalo.
Mario just proved it. That's probably his
Di
reaction
ba si
every time
Mario?
Japet
Di mo kanya.
gave up an offensive rebound, man.
Di mo kanya Mario na nag-stop. Okay na. Mario, okay na.
Yeah, that's
am I
probably his
moving?
reaction every time
Okay na.
Japet gave up an offensive rebound. But you're right, man. But it's hard to fault Tinebra din kasi bro, laki talaga nung Converge eh. 'Di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yung front line yun, ang tibay talaga. So, hindi pa nga
But I
nagagamit
do
yung
not
iba
care.
talaga na quality.
I do
Yun.
not care. Like, I do not care that they are big as hell, man. That stretch at the end was genuinely I know you know it. Hinebra fans in the arena knew it. That was the backbreaker if we had lost
Yeah,
this
yeah.
game. Were those 17 offensive rebounds in that one sequence?
17.
17.
De joke lang
17.
yun.
Hindi,
Malamang,
17.
just
17
just
I think is
random. Just
over-exaggeration
random.
lang. Graham. Oo.
Okay, I'm not looking at the box score.
Yeah.
And I thought they had 17
But
offensive
they
rebounds all game.
out-rebounded Hinebra 60-46. Kita naman talaga na it was really in favor of Converge.
Naman. And even in the fourth, when Nebra was up by 3, di ba, yung offensive rebound led to an Archie Concepcion layup. And then another offensive rebound led to one Gomez Niliano basket. Like, you're right, man. We don't have Mario just left, bro. He just doesn't want to talk to us anymore.
No, I think it's internet.
It's his internet. But brother, we are so lucky to get away with this victory. I mean, it's not probably, we definitely will not beat SMB this way. It's gonna be really difficult. I mean, kay Arana and Baltazar, you're having trouble. Good luck stopping Junmar and Molotov too. That's another beast.
Yeah,
But,
before we discuss that, no, before we head to
again,
the semifinals. Oh, ito
that's
muna
a
si
different
Mario.
Hello?
Hi.
Sorry.
Oh,
My laptop was lagging. So
yeah,
I
it was
can't
lagging.
really.
This is way better.
Yeah.
Any more thoughts on the SMB on the San Miguel on the Hinebra versus Converge game? Then gusto ko pasadahan kasi yung Magnolia TNT before we end
Oo
kasi
nga
hindi
pala.
natin discuss. Pasadahan natin dito sa last
Yeah.
15 minutes.
Sure.
Yeah, go.
What are my thoughts on Hinebra Converge, brother? like I said kanina, Japet Aguilar, thank your lucky stars for your team. But he also played well today. I'm not saying he played bad, but then thank your lucky stars, brother, because you almost threw this thing in the shitter. But yeah, Ginebra now has to face off against the SMB San Miguel Beermen, which is not gonna be fun. But hey, give us tonight. At least we have tonight.
Bro, ako yung final thoughts ko in this series. Number one, if Ginebra can consistently get contributions from other players. In game 1 it was Ralph Ku, di ba?
Oo.
Tonight it was Jason David. It was Norbert Torres with a couple of 3-pointers. Maya Gray, of course, with the clutch free throws. If they can consistently get those players na um on a nightly basis, iba-iba yung pwedeng maging X factor, then they can probably push SMB to the limit. Because SMB is just too loaded. But this is what the Ginebra fans love. This is the type of Ginebra team that Ginebra fans love. Yung grit and grind na hindi puro superstar na Stan Hardinger and Stanley Pringle and Jamie Malonzo. Ito gusto nila yung mga nickname na mga pangalan na may kahit sa NBI, like Jason David. If Jason David applies for an NBA clearance, sigurado
Actually,
may hit yan,
madami nga.
because
Baka
that's
may
all.
3 hit. Baka may
Right?
3 hit.
But it's a rugged type of player that
Sunny
for
Estil.
sure will be. Oh my God, you're just naming names, but you get what I mean. If we get those players, like if one game it's Ralph Ku, it's another game it's Norbert and Jason David, then we may be able to push SMB to the brink. But right now, Marius right. Give the night to us, man. We deserve it. Give the next few days to us. Because Magnolia for sure does deserve it. But yeah, go ahead.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh man. Where's Nico? Here?
I'm here. I'm here.
Are you gonna
Yeah,
move to Magnolia or you're just
Sorry, I
yeah,
disappeared.
nagre-react lang ako. Sorry, tatawa lang ako. Okay, let's now move on to the side of the Magnolia versus TNT game. Pasadahan natin, guys. I want to discuss it. Kasi sa hindi tayo nakapag-record kahapon. Pero sa inyo, for that one, I feel like Javi GDL talaga is being misused. I feel like he's being underutilized. Yun yung thoughts ko ngayon na after a day, na naisip ko na maybe if they had given him more touches, found more place for him, it could have been different. I don't know. Kayo, ano tingin nyo? Kasi loaded ang Magnolia eh. It doesn't make sense na ganito sila eh. Na sila
Bro,
pa yung...
what I'm
Mario,
saying
Mario,
is,
you wanna go first? Mario, you wanna go
what's up?
first here, and then you go.
Ikaw muna daw.
Just real quick.
Ako
Yeah,
muna?
no, I'll go first.
Ikaw,
No,
You
ako
go
muna.
first.
Ako muna.
oh, sige,
This,
sige, sige.
this just real quick. Javi Gomez de Leano looked happier tonight than he did last night, and he wasn't even playing tonight. Yeah, he really looked happier tonight. Bro. I'm not wrong.
He's not wrong at all. You're
Go
not
ahead.
wrong at
Mm.
all.
Go ahead.
Dude, you're not wrong
Go
at
ahead.
all.
What's the point?
That is the most factual thing you've ever said on a podcast episode.
We gotta give it to Graham. We gotta give it to
Ah.
Graham for this moment lang This moment lang.
That is the most
The
factual thing you have ever said on an episode. I don't know if I'm proud or whatever, but right now, my jaw is on the floor because I can't believe you just said something so right. But dude,
Wow.
send him to Ginebra, send him to Converge, send him to TNT. I don't care. Just get him away from Magnolia. I don't. It's either there's too much talent on Magnolia or di lang siya masyadong fit with what they want to do. Kasi he's a much better player than what he's showing. I know he's also been playing bad, but he's a much better player than what he's showing right now. But for me, dude, Magnolia has no business being first round exits when you have Xavier Lucero, Jerome Lastimosa, Ian Sangalang, Chris Kuhn, Javi Gomez de Leano. You have zero excuses to be in first round exits, man. There's no basis for it at all. But UK and Andrada also, there's no basis at all for them to be first round exits. But here we are again. Graham was right for another season in which the Magnolia Hotshots are unable to hold up the intro boys, are unable to remove the intro boys tag.
Laki
So,
ng
man,
ngiti ng...
but to be fair, dude, TNT is another animal right now. Jordan Heading is healthy.
Ibang klase nga rin
Um,
TNT. You gotta give it to that,
Heading
man.
is
Yeah.
healthy. BGR, don't get BGR angry kasi bigla na lang may pake siya. BGR cares, dude. It's kind of tough to beat them. Uh, and all that, man, is all just to say that TNT is going to the finals. I don't care who they
That's
face off
yours.
against. Yeah, I don't care who they face off against, dude. They're going to the finals. There's nobody stopping them from getting to the finals. It's not gonna be Meralco. It's not going to be Ross. Um, and whoever they meet in the finals, may it be Ginebra or SMB, it's gonna be a great series also.
both both of you to assume it's in ever, brother. But
I said
uh
Ginebra or SMB.
Hinebra or SMB?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I
What?
know both of you to assume that it might be Ginebra because
Ah,
Ah,
you
yeah,
we
yeah,
both
say,
yeah,
think
ah,
it's
okay,
yeah,
okay,
Ginebra.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But
Well, 99% naman ako SMB
um
feel ko eh. May 1% Hinebra.
yeah, same here. Same
Dahil sa
here. We'll
never
go
say tayo nyo eh.
preview in our next episode. But brother, if Coach LA finds a way to use Yuken Andrada, why isn't you're right, Mario? Why aren't you able to use uh uh Javi Gomez Deliano who sorry, yeah, right, Did I say Javi
yeah,
Gomez
you did.
Deliano who was a runner up for Rookie of the Year, Mario? Did you say it right? Runner up for Rookie of the Year's KBL.
I'm not sure.
Uh, but
I'm not sure.
he
Let's not
bowled in
say that.
Korea.
Yeah, he was good in
Yeah, oh
Korea.
yeah. I mean, he was good in Korea. I
Yeah,
mean, I'm with you that he's better than ano than um Yuki Andrada. So
Malaki.
if you
he was not rookie of the year.
can give me that by
Si Graham
utilizing
pa yung nawala.
Coach Ed, why
Oh,
Brother,
he
yan.
was
we
not?
don't know what you just said.
Same as the viewers. Graham, we don't know what you just said.
We
Like
don't know
you
what
lose
you
me,
just said.
you lose. Bro,
Yes, we
sorry.
did lose you.
One last attempt, man. If you're able to use Yuki Andrada, who just got out of college, why not use Javi Gomez Diliano, who's been overseas, who has proven that he can bowl in Korea,
That's our point.
right?
That's been
I
our
mean,
point.
you're right about that,
Ever since he
Mario.
got to Magnolia. Ever since he got to Magnolia. Kala
You're
nga
right.
natin may-utilize
Like,
sa maigi.
I get
Hey,
it. I get
Javi.
it, man. There.
Good.
No, I was just about to say, I get it. Magnolia, intro voice, accident waiting to happen. What can go wrong will go wrong. That's already given. You know, it's like saying the sky is blue, the grass is green. We all know Magnolia gonna choke in the end, but choke the right way, man. Like, use your players. Use your players. Don't make it boring. Make it interesting. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, use Javi the right way. It's like I know it's like having a car and only driving at 60 kilometers per hour when it can run 140. You know,
Yeah.
you're limiting a Javi Gomez Deleano. I mean, I wish we have Javi Gomez
Bro,
Deleano.
even
We
just
throw him
Javi.
away,
It's
but thank you.
not even just Javi, bro. It's also Chris Kuhn. We barely saw Chris Kuhn yesterday. Yeah, I think a lot of the players kasi medyo bago sila. So that's why it wasn't, I mean,
Naninibago rin.
or
Bago pa.
nag-a-adjust
Pati yung
pa rin.
coach
So,
bago. Pati yung coach
yeah,
bago.
that's
Lahat
why it's not
bago.
sexy yet. But dude, um, people need to
Yeah,
start
to
talking soon
be fair,
about
Chris Good.
this guy is literally lagging by 10 minutes.
Doon sa next topic na tayo. Oh yeah, Chris Kuhn.
This guy is lagging by 10 whole minutes right
Ikaw
now.
muna, Mario. Ikaw muna. You finish your point.
Yeah. And no, my
He got
point
them
is
in
the same.
conference. So
What?
Hindi, okay na. Nag-adjust. Sige, Mario. Go, Mario. Go.
Are we alive, Graham? What's happening over
yeah,
there,
yeah,
man?
yeah, we are.
Okay,
We are.
okay.
We are. I mean, Netflix,
Okay.
man.
Okay. Well, dude, all of this is just to say that Magnolia did it again. They lost in the first round. Shout out my to my sports ed Gab Kizan Magnolia fan. I'm sorry this happened to you. And I really hope next conference, man, Chris Kuhn is used properly, Javi is used properly, and yeah, it's gonna be an adjustment period. And then for TNT, You're going to the finals for sure. And then Ross Meralco is a great. It's a great series. I don't know. I don't know anong nangyari sa Ross kahapon. I don't. They woke up on the wrong side of the bed or something. But
Lost by
Meralco
18.
looked dominant.
They lost by a huge margin, diba?
Yeah. They lost by almost 20, I think.
Yeah, 18 nga, mga ganun.
Yeah. I wasn't able to catch that one, so I can't really talk much about it. But I saw the score, and it wasn't close at all. So, man, something's got to get going soon.
Yeah. Bro, I don't want to shit on Magnolia anymore. It's kind of getting boring. Like I'm just so used to it. TNT is so elite that without a doubt, second best team in the PBA. If they face SMB again, there's no shame in losing to SMB.
It's a toss-up though.
But
Feel ko it's a toss-up.
I believe it.
yeah, this time
Toss-up
it's gonna
siya.
be closer. This time it's gonna be closer, I think. And they may end up coming on top. But we're talking ahead of ourselves. They're so good. They have too many firepower. Kevin Ferrer and Gio Halalon just sometimes makes you think it's 2017 all over again because they just decide to show up. That's when our Pugo and Calvin of Tana are struggling. Remember, they still don't have Jason Castro, and it's been a year since they lost Jason. Rain ng Batak is the best 4-point shooter in the PBA. Say Jordan Heading
Yeah.
may be second, right?
Side
I
note,
mean,
bro.
they're just so
Side
good.
note to this. Side note to this. Ian Sangalang cannot defend a 3-point shooter to save his life. Like,
Yeah.
brother, ang daming libreng tiro ni Calvin or ni Ray na alam mo yung pamatay sunog kasi andyan na sila eh. Andyan na yung Magnolia at
Yeah.
those points eh.
Was
Tapos
down to
biglang
6.
titirahan, dude, biglang titirahan sila ng 3 or 4 being defended by Ian. I know it's not his position and he's not really meant to be that good of a defender anyway, but my God, dude. And he can't go up against Kerry Williams either. Like, dude, no chance.
Yeah, he's really a good offensive player. Kaya mahirap siya tanggalin sa court. It's like RJ Abarientos But you just cannot defend as well as he used to, and he wasn't even a good defensive player back in the day. Um, that's my TNT Magnolia side. They just run against a better team against a better team. But man, TNT, they're going to the finals either way. You're right, Mario. If it's against Meralco, it's because it's a sister team. If it's against Ross, it's because it's Ross. They Ross calls them Dada or Daddy because they just sun, rain or shine every time they meet them, and they
Hey,
don't bring anything.
I don't need a peek into your personal life, Graham. I'm
Alright.
good, brother.
Alright.
To each his own, Mario. To each his own. Bigyan mo naman.
Keep that on your side of the car, brother. Keep that on your side.
Alright. Alright. But yeah, they're really a good team picking at the right time. One last thing, bro, about the officiating. How do you feel about the officiating of the Ginebra Converge game earlier? Because both teams were, as usual, not satisfied with how it was officiated. But um, how do you feel about the officiating on that before we go?
Um, 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 I can't say much about it. Game 1, I believe it was really in favor of Ginebra. I will be outright when I say that. I think
Ito
We
parang
admitted that.
toss-up eh, no?
yeah, the calls in Game 1 were literally in Ginebra's favor. But in Game 2, it could have gone either way. I'm not really mad at. It wasn't that bad if you ask me. The foul on Stock, the foul on Maya's 3 was really a foul. The foul on RJ, although people will say na madaya siya, it's still somewhat a foul. The foul on Japet
Bro,
against Juan
yung foul
is a
yung
foul.
foul ni Scotty. Bro, yung foul ni Scotty na challenge nila. That
Yun
wasn't a
medyo bigla
foul.
ako dun.
That wasn't a foul, man. In
Yeah,
the
it wasn't.
fourth,
I agree.
Converge got the calls. Converge got the calls in the fourth, but it doesn't matter. I mean, because they never got away with it. But they got all the calls that I think were bang calls in the fourth quarter. That's my only opinion on
Yeah.
that. But yeah, I don't mind it at all because we won. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year sa lahat ng kabarangay natin. And we're gonna be watching live again in January. That's what I'm happy about.
Yeah.
Okay, last thoughts. parang yes or no lang to. Will Alex Stockton get traded before the next conference?
yeah!
Yes or no? Okay, that's you,
Hell
hell
yeah!
yeah. Ikaw, Grim. And then, this is also a question for the audience. So, comment nyo na rin.
Bro,
Kung
he
umabot
was
kayo sa
about to be
part na to.
traded. He was about to be traded before the game. Mas lalo ngayon.
Bro, we're doing this late at night, 11:29 before clock strikes midnight. Alex Stockton is traded, man.
Pull the trigger agad.
Bro,
That's a number. That's
call
a number.
Magnolia, call Northport, call NLEX, call them all. My God, man. I'm sure Converge is not happy with how that game ended up.
Yeah, hey, Alex Stockton, man. If you have Converge internet at home, don't expect any connection when you arrive, man.
Wala naman siya internet
That's a,
pag-uwi.
that's a punishment. You deserve some spanking tonight. But I love you
Spanking
tonight,
naman daw,
brother.
man.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Alex Stockton. You made art.
We'll
You
see.
made art.
We'll see you in red, brother. We'll see him in red. I feel like we'll see
Some
him in
other
red.
time. Some
Ano yung
other
Red
time.
Titan?
Some other time.
No, I believe I will say this. I'm putting it on the record now. I believe at some point in his career, Alex Stockton will play for Ginebra.
Yeah,
Well,
I don't
let's
mind
see.
that at all.
I don't see it
Time heals
happening right
wounds.
now, though. I don't. Well, technically, he was a Jin King in the, in the
Who's
last
Jin
two
King?
parts.
King tonight, bro.
Yeah, Mario, I don't know why you're shitting on Alex Stockton, man. Like he saved us.
Objectively,
You're the
si
one who said
Mario.
he'll be traded by 12. I said he was gonna be
Yeah.
traded. You said by 12.
All right, we're just so happy tonight, man. Thank you,
All
Alex
right.
Stockton. Thank you, Mario. Thank you, Steven Norton, Troy Rosario, RJ Barrientos.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for listening to our podcast. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. See you all next time. Peace.
Adios.